Our customer, SC Aviation in Janesville, Wisconsin, came to us with this Hawker 700 project, asking us to put it on poles in front of their facility. 425 Fab Division has fabrication, welding, engineering, 3D modeling, all in-house. We also have full machine shop services, including CNC turning, CNC milling, water jet, wire EDM, and more. We actually got into the back of the plane and looked at the rear jack mounts. We designed rear jack mount system of poles, along with CAD engineering and 3D printing to kind of get a perfect fit. The structural tube that we used for the main mounts is normally used to erect large advertising billboards. The rear mount assembly was very complex with compound angles and radiuses. It was one of 3 mounting assemblies that we designed for this project. We hired a structural engineering firm to go over the snow loads and wind loads on the plane. We 3D printed a model and were able to fit it and set it and test it quickly and design it quickly just by 3D printing versus going back and machining something that would take days to machine and quite a bit of money, where the 3D printer is definitely an excellent resource for a project like this. We figured out the heights, figured out the angles. In-house we have the 3D printing, we have the CAD and engineering design. So we sat down with the customer and talked about how they wanted the plane to be mounted, and we came up with a 10-degree climb, 6.5-degree right bank, and basically the customer is adamant that they didn't want to use a nose landing gear. They wanted it taken off kind of in the air to look as realistic as possible. This is a project that we can take from beginning to end, including design, engineering, manufacturing, permits, concrete, electrical, rigging, and final installation.